Think going sugar-free means boring snacks. Think again. Here are zero sugar treats so tasty you'll crave them on repeat. Forget those sugar-packed desserts. Swap sugary desserts for Greek yogurt with berries. It's creamy, filling, and naturally sweet, without added sugar. It's got all the protein you need, a hit of natural sweetness, and zero added sugar. This is my go-to for dessert nights or even a quick breakfast. Next up, roasted nuts, almonds, cashews, walnuts. Whatever your favorite, just make sure they're unsweetened. These are loaded with healthy fats, keeping you full and focused, and there's no sugar crash. I keep a bag in my backpack for instant clean fuel during the day. Snack number 3, dark chocolate, at least 85%. Yeah, you heard me, chocolate. Break off a piece, and you get that intense, rich flavor without all the sugar. When my sweet tooth hits, a square or two totally satisfies, and there's barely any sugar at all. Fourth on the list, veggie sticks with hummus. Carrots, celery, cucumbers, slice them up and dip away. Hummus brings the protein and healthy fats, while the veggies give you crunch and fiber. It's super refreshing, and honestly, way more satisfying than chips. And finally, cheese slices, or string cheese if you're on the go. This one's a zero-sugar, high-protein classic. I just peel one apart, and it's snack time anytime. Plus, it's portable and keeps you full way longer than those carb-heavy snacks. Greek yogurt with berries, roasted nuts, dark chocolate, veggie sticks with hummus, cheese. Going sugar-free doesn't mean giving up on flavor. Try these and stay healthy without the cravings. Ditch those sugar crashes and snack smarter. If you want more healthy snacks for weight loss, best sugar-free foods, and sugar-free diet hacks. Hit like, share, and subscribe for more smart nutrition tips. Try these sugar-free snack ideas and see how crave-worthy healthy eating can be. Stay healthy, stay happy, and snack on.